How to chat with IQ options support team to solve a problem or anything you want. So hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to chat with the IQ options support team easy and fast so they can answer you fastly. So first thing we do, we go to the IQ option right here, and this is the home page. As you can see, now you go to the top corner on those three lines and then go down and choose support, and here you go. Now you can chat with them from here like hello, and they will answer you as soon as possible because they are online. And there is also the bot. So that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.